Good morning, class. This is Miss Denise Rodriguez. Today I'm going to explain the workshop that corresponds to this week for our conversational class. So I'm gonna try to show this is the workshop, and the teaching, as you already know, is Welcome to the Jungle. The goal that corresponds to this teaching is to talk about animal pets. As you can see here, I have uploaded a picture of some animal pets, and there at the bottom there are some questions from 1 to 8. The first one says, do you have a pet? Who takes care of it? What does it look like? Color, breed, etc. What do you feed it? Do you play with it? What's its name? How did you choose its name? Does it know any tricks or understand any words? If you don't have a pet, why not? These are some questions that I have prepared in order to let you or allow you to think about the topic, which is about animal pets. Here we have a very short reading and some tips if you want to have a pet or you're thinking about raising one. So this is a reading, as you can see. We're gonna read it in the class. Here I share a link where you can find out more about taking care of pets. And there are 3 more questions. Do you think having a pet can improve human lives? What are the pros and cons of keeping a pet? What is the best pet to own? We're gonna be answering these questions in our class. Here I share a video with you about the same. And there are 2 questions. Do you know somebody who owns an unusual pet? Do you think it's acceptable to test cosmetic on animals? As you can see, I'm also sharing some codes here for our Google Classroom. The one that corresponds to 6A is GV2UY2C, and the one for 6B is NQHC77S. So please, students, I want you to join our Google Classroom site, because there we're gonna share some videos and games and stuff that we can use to improve our English speaking. Well, as you can see here, we have the key concept vocabulary, where you can find the words that we are using in the reading that maybe you don't know the meaning. And here you have some vocabulary related to things you can say to give your opinion when you want to express your opinion or say what is in your mind. You can use these expressions. At the bottom it says exercises. There are some other questions that I also want you to answer orally during the class. And in the evaluation, well, we don't have any evaluation in this opportunity. This is something we're going to be solving during the class, but if you want to, you can solve it as well at home and send it to my email, as we often do. But as I told you, this is not something that I'm going to evaluate. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have a great week, and thank you so much for being here. Bye-bye.